Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off thicken borders of our talkback focus indicator in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to turn off our thicker borders of our talkback function indicator? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options, then talkback and settings. And here we have our customize focus indicator. As you can see, we have thick borders here. What does it look like?
Talkback on. Customize focus indicator. Red. Not checked in list 8 items.
Let's
Double tap to
turn
activate.
off special thickness.
On. Off. Red. Not checked.
And now, as you can see,
Double
we have
tap to
our
activate. Talkback off.
our thinner border as it was by default. So that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.